So in this video, we're talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, even though the S24 just dropped. Crazy, right? But hey, the rumor mill's already churning. So let's break down what's possibly heading our way next year. Let's dive in. While it's still early days, we can expect Samsung to follow its recent trend of earlier releases. In recent years, Samsung has been launching its Galaxy S series earlier. This year's S24 arrived in January. If Samsung continues this trend, we might see the S25 Ultra unveiled in mid-January. As for the price, well, that's anyone's guess for now. But given the trajectory of premium smartphone costs, we might see a slight bump up from its predecessor. We'll probably get the scoop on pricing by the end of 2024. Now, onto the design and display. Samsung has been consistent with its design language, so don't expect a radical departure with the S25 Ultra. However, there are whispers of a larger display size. Yes, we are talking about 6.9 inches. And knowing Samsung's penchant for pushing display brightness to the max, we wouldn't be surprised to see another leap in that department too. Probably 3000 nits of peak brightness. The cameras, the pièce de résistance of any Samsung Ultra model. With rumors swirling about upgrades to the already impressive camera setup, including a beefed-up wide-angle lens and a significant jump in megapixels for the ultra-wide lens. Specifically, a leaker claims that the wide-angle lens on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will get an unspecified upgrade, while the ultra-wide lens will jump from a 12-megapixel sensor on the S24 Ultra to a 50-megapixel one on the new phone. Plus, with hints of variable capabilities for the telephoto lens, we might just be in for smoother zooms and sharper shots. An old leak from 2023 suggests that Samsung could equip the Galaxy S25 Ultra's main camera with a 1-inch 200-megapixel ISOCELL image sensor. In the realm of cameras, larger sensors often equate to better performance, sparking our excitement. Now let's talk performance and battery life. With Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset expected to power the S25 Ultra, we're anticipating a significant boost in performance. Early Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 benchmarks have already leaked out, and while you should never completely trust unvetted numbers like that, they do paint a rosy picture for the chipset's performance. According to the leaked Geekbench results, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 matches the single-core score produced by an A18 Bionic-powered iPhone. This might be the first time that Qualcomm will manage to exceed Apple's chip capabilities in the single-core test. There's talk that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will have a 4.3 GHz prime core, after the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 topped out at 3.4 GHz. It's said that the Galaxy S25 lineup might mix Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Exynos 2500 chipsets, just like the S24. So, the S25 Ultra, as I said earlier, could rock the Snapdragon exclusively, while the others might dabble in Exynos. And hey, S24 benchmarks hinted that the Snapdragon ones had a slight edge. The Galaxy S25 Ultra might become the pioneer in featuring Samsung's UFS 4.0 4-lane storage chip, potentially capable of supporting almost 8 gigabit per second. This speed nearly doubles the 4 gigabit per second of the current UFS 4.0 standard found in many phones. And as per the leak, 16 gigs of RAM will be offered only with the 512 gigs and 1 terabyte variants of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As for battery life, rumors suggest Samsung pushed back integrating stacked battery technology and 65W charging to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, now targeting the Galaxy S26 Ultra in 2026. The next flagship will still feature a 5000 mAh battery and support 45-watt charging. Of course, we can't forget about software. With Android 15 on the horizon, coupled with One UI 7, expect the S25 Ultra to be running the latest and greatest out of the box. And let's not overlook the potential for more Galaxy AI features, building upon the innovations introduced with the S24 lineup. So there you have it, folks. While we're still piecing together the puzzle that is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, one thing's for sure. It's shaping up to be another game changer in the world of smartphones. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and predictions for the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.